In this video, I'll show you how to insert timers in Google Slides. Before we start, there's one important thing to know. Google Slides does not currently have a simple built-in countdown timer button in the standard insert menu. So in practice, most people use one of two methods instead. They insert a timer video onto a slide, or they use Google Slides auto advance settings when they want slides to move on a schedule. Google's official help confirms that Slides supports inserting videos, text boxes, and shapes, and it also supports auto-advancing slides while presenting or after publishing to the web. The easiest timer method is to add a countdown video. Open your presentation in Google Slides on your computer, go to the slide where you want the timer, then click Insert and choose Video. Google says you can insert a video from YouTube, by URL, or Google Drive. So you can search for a countdown timer video on YouTube right inside Slides, select the one you want, and place it on the slide. After the timer video appears on the slide, resize it and move it where you want. For example, you can place it in a corner if you only want a small timer, or make it larger if the timer is the main focus. If you also want a label like Time Remaining, you can add that by clicking Insert and choosing Text Box or Shape. Google's Slides help confirms that text boxes and shapes can be added and arranged on a slide however you want. Now let's look at the second method, which is useful when you want the presentation itself to run on time. Open your slideshow, click Slideshow, and then use the Options menu at the bottom to choose Auto Advance options. Google says you can choose how quickly slides advance while you present. This does not create a visible countdown clock on the slide, but it does help you control timing automatically. There's also a publishing version of this. Google says if you go to File and then Publish to the web, you can set Auto Advance slides there too. That is useful if your presentation will run on a screen by itself, like at an event booth, in a classroom, or on a lobby display. You can also choose to start the slideshow as soon as it loads and restart it after the last slide. So the easiest way to insert a visible timer is to place a timer video on the slide. And if your goal is more about pacing, use Google Slides Auto Advance settings instead. That gives you both a visual option and a timing control option, depending on how you want your presentation to work. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.